Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coding Couple in London. This time we take you to the marvelous country of Spain with endless summers, late night buzz of ancient towns and cities with rich culture and architecture, loads of fresh dishes, tapas, local drinks, and getting lost in the streets to eternity and beyond. In today's episode, we are covering the magnificent Sevilla. Sevilla is the capital of Andalusia in the southwest of the Iberian Peninsula. The city is known for its rich history, stunning Moorish architecture, and authentic culture that includes loads of tapas and flamenco dancing. Our trip to Sevilla started from Madrid by hitching a ride with a local using the app BlaBlaCar. But you can also reach Sevilla by road, by flight, by train, or even by renting a car. Plaza de España is a semicircular brick building, Renaissance Neo-Moorish in style, with a tower at either end. In front of the building, following the curve of its facade, is a 500-meter canal crossed by 4 bridges, and in the center of it all is the plaza itself. You can rent small boats to row in the canal, and the plaza is known as the Venice of Sevilla. It is a major tourist attraction, and it is also the finishing point of all the horse and carriage rides. If you are lucky, you'll get to see a free performance of flamenco near the plaza. Real Alcazar is a beautiful medieval Islamic palace showcasing a unique fusion of Spanish, Christian, and Moorish architecture. It was built by the Moorish rulers who occupied the peninsula from the 18th century onwards. However, in the 13th century, the Spanish Reconquista was in full swing and the area was soon reclaimed by the Catholic kings of Spain, who claimed the palace as their own. In the 5th season of HBO's hit TV show Game of Thrones, the Alcazar of Sevilla began to use for the water gardens in the fictional city of Sunspear, seat of the House Martel and capital of Dawn. Sevilla's cathedral, Santa Maria de la Sede, is the largest Gothic cathedral in the world and is recognized as UNESCO World Heritage. Flamenco is a traditional style of Spanish folk music originating in the region of Andalusia around 400 years ago. This very flamboyant, seductive art, thought to have been originated by Romani gypsies, includes singing, guitar playing, dance, and hand clapping. Sevilla has a wide variety of bars, tapas bar, restaurants, and cafes. The most common breakfast that we found to be very commonly had in Spain was tostada, tomato bread generally accompanied with jamón or Iberian ham. One of the most famous dishes in Sevilla was robo de toro, a flavor-packed, powerful stew made from bull's tail. It was quite nice. Coming to the drink was the orange wine, Vino de Naranja, a sweet fortified wine flavored with peel of local bitter oranges. Another drink that we really enjoyed was Manzanilla, a more mature type of sherry produced locally. Overall, there's a wide variety of dishes to suit everybody's palate. Hope you liked our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.